Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access and what you need to know about AI Grok Companion Ani. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just go to your app store and download it, okay? Install it. This is only available on the iOS right now. Install it and then you can open it up. And right here on Grok, what you can do is you can ask anything, we can even speak. You can change your version right here. Of course, to get full access, typically it requires a Super Grok subscription, which costs about $30 a month, and Super Grok Heavy is about $300 a month. So you can get those if you want. Okay. And of course, you can use companions right here, Annie right here, and you can start talking. For example, you can say hi, right? And when you're done, you can just stop it. Like, that's all you have to do. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.